Hello, everyone. Welcome to our podcast. We're really happy you're here today.
Hello, everyone. Welcome. If you are listening right now, thank you for giving us your time.
My name is Alex.
And my name is Emma.
How are you today, Emma?
I'm doing well, thank you. A little tired, but feeling good. How about you?
Same here. Long day, but I'm excited about today's conversation.
So today, we're going to talk about something very simple.
But very important.
We'll talk about daily life,
Dreams
goals.
and the future.
Before we start, let me ask you something.
Just think about it.
Why are you learning English?
Is it for work?
For travel?
For confidence?
Many people start learning English.
But very few continue.
If you're still listening, that already says something about you.
Let me say this clearly.
Understanding English is easy.
But speaking English is scary.
And today, we're going to talk about why.
Let's start with daily life.
Because daily life is where English really lives.
Emma, what does a normal day look like for you?
I wake up in the morning, usually around 7.
What's the first thing you do?
Honestly, I check my phone.
Most people do that.
Then I get out of bed, wash my face, brush my teeth.
Do you eat breakfast?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
Same here.
After that, I go to work or study.
And how do you feel during the day?
Some days I feel motivated.
And some days?
Some days feel the same, a little boring.
Many people think their daily life is boring
But daily life is important.
because your future is built there.
Dreams. Let's talk about dreams now.
Everyone has dreams.
But not everyone talks about them.
Emma, what is one of your dreams?
One of my dreams is to live without fear.
Fear of what?
Fear of speaking. Fear of making mistakes.
That's very honest.
What about you?
My dream is to have a job I enjoy and a life I'm proud of.
Many people stop dreaming when they grow up.
Because life becomes busy.
Responsibilities, problems, stress.
But dreams don't disappear.
They just become quiet.
Dreams are big.
Goals are small.
And goals are what move you forward.
For example, if your dream is English,
Your goal today can be very simple.
listen to English for 10 minutes.
Repeat simple sentences.
People think goals must be hard.
But easy goals are better.
Why do people quit English?
Because they try to do too much
They want to speak perfectly.
instead of speaking simply. Now, let's talk about the future.
Close your eyes for a second.
Imagine yourself 5 years from now.
Where are you?
What are you doing?
Who are you talking to?
In that future,
English is not scary anymore.
you understand people.
You answer calmly.
That future is not magic.
It's practice.
If you're still listening right now,
You are more serious than most people.
most people quit early.
You stayed.
That means something.
It means you care about your life.
So don't rush.
Don't pressure yourself.
English is a journey.
And you already started.
Stay with us.
Because this conversation,
Is just getting started.
let's slow down a little.
There's no rush.
Many people think learning English is a race.
But it's not. Emma, let me ask you something simple.
Okay,
What was your day like today?
it was normal. I woke up, got ready, and went out.
Did anything interesting happen?
Not really, just small moments.
And that's important.
Yes, life is mostly small moments.
Many learners think they need big topics to speak English.
Politics, business, big ideas.
But real English starts here.
Daily life.
Talking about your morning,
Your work.
your feelings,
For example, today I felt tired.
but also calm.
That's English.
You don't need difficult words to express yourself.
Simple words are powerful.
Let's talk about dreams again.
But this time, let's be very honest.
Do you think everyone reaches their dreams?
No,
Why not?
because people stop.
They stop believing.
They stop trying.
Most people don't fail.
They quit.
That's true for English, too.
People don't fail English.
They just stop learning it.
Let's talk about goals again.
But very simple ones.
For example, today's goal can be this.
Listen to this podcast until the end.
Tomorrow's goal,
Speak for 5 minutes.
not 1 hour.
Just 5 minutes. When goals are small,
Your mind relaxes.
And when your mind is relaxed,
Learning becomes easier,
now let's imagine the future again.
but not far.
Imagine yourself 1 year from now,
Not perfect.
but better.
You understand more.
You speak more.
You feel less afraid.
That's progress.
Many people want fast change,
But real change is slow.
and slow change lasts longer.
That's the key.
If you're still listening right now,
You are already doing something right.
you chose to stay.
You chose to listen.
And small choices.
Build big futures. So stay calm.
Stay consistent.
And remember this.
Your English doesn't need to be perfect
It just needs to be real.
and practiced.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.